she's walking out that door.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Schell, BC Cookbook Author. Today I'm at the farmer's market and I'm shopping for delicious ingredients to make a recipe to pair with BC wines. So let's go shopping and then head back to my place. We're back from the farmer's market, bought some beautiful vegetables, flowers, even got some wine. We're ready to make this tortang talong recipe featuring these Japanese eggplant. I just love shopping local. Every week I go to the market, see what's exciting and new, what's in season, chat with the local farmers. It's so much fun. Let's get going. First, we're going to make the filling. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan and then saute the onion, garlic, and potato until softened. Then add the ground pork, chopped tomato, and continue to cook until it's no longer pink and the potato is fork tender. So these Japanese eggplant are my new obsession. They are so delicious. They're a lot more tender than the usual globe eggplant. Aren't they cool? They look kind of like zucchini, but they're beautiful violet color. I love the smokiness. This flavor, if you have ever had baba ganoush, which is a smoked eggplant dip, it's that similar flavor. There's Japanese dishes that have the smoked eggplant flavor too. It's just amazing. So when you see these at the market, grab them, and you can just use this lovely grate that I put on top of my gas stove. You can do it on the barbecue as well, but it's very fun and exciting. And honestly, they're going to be turning black, but that's what's supposed to happen, so don't be alarmed. And then let it cool and peel off all the skin, but leaving the stem on. In a large bowl, beat the eggs thoroughly and season with salt and pepper. Cooking 1 eggplant at a time, dip the flattened eggplant into the beaten egg. Arrange 1/4 of the ground pork mixture over the eggplant and top with 3 spoonfuls of beaten egg to cover the pork. Partially cover with a lid for 2 minutes to help the cooking process, and then using a fish spatula or other thin, large flipper, check the underside, and when golden brown, carefully flip the eggplant. Fry another 2 or 3 minutes and then remove to a plate. Serve this with the condiments and steamed rice and prepare to fall in love with Filipino cuisine. Okay, so that's all done. Let's head to the backyard and taste some wine. Hi, Steph.
Hi, Jennifer.
Thank you for coming over.
Thank you for having me, and I'm glad we're out here in the sunshine.
I know, it's beautiful. This is Stephanie Stanley, winemaker from Peak Cellars in Lake Country. We're so excited to have her here today to share her beautiful wines. So tell me, what do you think pairs best with this smoky eggplant Filipino dish?
Well, I did bring both of our rosés and also our Goldie Red. So it looks like this dish could either be breakfast or dinner.
It's true.
You know, with the omelet, the egg style. So the pink granite rosé, our top tier rosé, actually, it's almost like it's like your breakfast rosé. So it's got this beautiful pink grapefruit character about it. Really nice rich layers and a long finish. Just really fruity. But we also brought the Goldie Red. It's a really.
This is new, right?
This is, well, it's the second vintage of it, but it is the future red for Peak Cellars.
Oh.
It's a blend of Pinot Noir and Gamay Noir. So it's really ripe, like juicy fruits, a nice spice to it. There's almost a gaminess, but sort of light, like medium bodied. So we actually, when we were doing our tasting notes for it, eggplant is one of the first things that sort of popped up, that this would be a beautiful wine to pair with eggplant in different variations. And just chilled slightly just brings out a lot of that beautiful, like that juiciness and that fruit.
And chilling red, some reds, is a good thing. So you hear it from the winemaker. Slightly chilled, so making it an even better summer wine. These are both perfect pairings, and all of the wines at Peak Cellars are extraordinary, as is the property and as is the winemaker. So do plan to go and visit when you can, and buy some to make this recipe at home. Cheers.
Cheers.